Imagine a soft, fluffy, gluten and dairy-free pancake, but it comes in a pan instead of on the stove. Stop standing at the stove or at the griddle flipping pancakes and try this baked pancake instead. You serve it in slices, top it with fruit or whatever else you like, and it is absolutely delicious and really easy to put together, throw in the oven for a group of people or for yourself if you want to cut it up and have it over the course of a few days. The full recipe's in the description, and make sure you leave some comments and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for new amazing recipes. Start with your favorite gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. I'm using Bob's Red Mill. We also use buckwheat flour along with some baking soda, your favorite sugar alternative, some salt, and cinnamon. After those get whisked together, go in with the wet ingredients. Use the milk of your choice. Dairy-free is just fine here. We're also going to go in with an egg. We also have some vanilla extract, a squeeze of lemon juice, about a teaspoon's worth, and some melted coconut oil. Mix that together till nicely combined and you get your gorgeous batter here. This is going to go into a greased 8 by 8 inch baking dish, and our oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for around 25 minutes or until baked all the way through, and then just cut and serve in slices. It's thick, fluffy pancakes topped with whatever you like, and it's absolutely delicious. You saw how easy that was, and the fact that this is gluten and dairy free means that so many people with dietary restrictions can have this and enjoy it. You can easily scale up this recipe to make a larger pan size if you want, but I love this 4 serving size here because I can have one of these every day for 4 days. I got breakfast for the week. I've been making this recipe as pancakes for years. I like it even more like this. It is so fluffy and soft, it literally melts in your mouth. The flavor's fantastic, and it is everything I love about pancakes, just in a different fun form. And once again, the recipe for this is in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that great stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time with another amazing recipe.